now when you use your magnets
Yes.
at home for your own personal work, don't you feel like your life just gets easier, though?
You know what? I keep saying that. I keep saying it is amazing to me how every day my life literally gets easier. I told somebody the other day, oh, don't worry about that. Like, if that's a struggle, if you feel like that's a struggle, that means there's 10 opportunities. Just focus on the opportunities.
Totally.
And it took me a long time to get to the point of being able to do that, but I definitely feel like the magnets really help with the intention. My feeling is that they really work strongly on the quantum level. I really look forward to those underlying shifts that really lift me spiritually. And I feel like this really gets there fast. Maybe one of the fastest things I've ever seen.
I'm so passionate about what I do precisely because it's very powerful.
And you can add it to everything.
Absolutely.
You
Everything.
can put them on somebody when you're doing emotional work with them, when you're doing colon therapy with them. I definitely think it's definitely a booster. And I have people that have seen you, had seen me prior to, and then now that I'm using the magnets, there's definitely a
amplifies,
yes,
right?
that's exactly what we said. It's like it amplifies everything that you do. It's like turning up the volume.